Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul Hannan. Today I am going to discuss how to make the PCB layout on Proteus. So, in order to make the PCB, first of all, we have to make a schematic of our circuit. Here I have made a circuit of basic logic gates where I implemented all the gates in a single circuit. J1 is the connector for the DC source, and J2 and J3 are the connectors for the switch button, which controls the inputs of logic gates. After making the schematic of our circuit, we have to make the PCB layout. So we have to move on the PCB layout. So to make the PCB of our circuit, I have opened the PCB layout. First of all, I have to make the board edge. So I select the triangle and here I select the board edge. So now I make the board edge of our circuit. This is the board edge of our circuit. So now I have to select the components. This is the component list that are used in the schematic. Now I have to place these components in the PCB. So in the tools bar I use the auto placer. I select all the components to place here. Auto placer is running. After this I am going to set the components by my choice. Now I use the auto router. You see here all the wiring is done, but one wiring is missing due to overlapping the other wires. Now I am going to set this wiring. So at last, after so much difficulty, my final PCB is ready. You see in the screen it is the final PCB. Here you see in the red wiring I use the jumpers to avoid the overlapping arrows of wires. So our PCB is ready. Now I am going to show you the 3D of my PCB. Here you see it is the 3D model of my PCB. This is the wiring and these are the components that I sold on my PCB. So our PCB is ready. So this is enough for today's lab. Inshallah we'll meet in our next lab. Thanks for watching. Khuda Hafiz.